how to create your Facebook shop. Welcome back. You're watching Aciero Style. Today I'm back again with how do you create your Facebook shop and get people from your shop to your website, and what are the advantages of this. Now, this is very powerful. If you have a Facebook page or a Facebook company page, you're just a profile page. You're on a profile page, it's not really possible. But on a Facebook page, if you're a public figure or a business, this is possible, because then you can link your website, and then from linking your website, you can also create a shop. There is an option in the settings of the page where you can choose the shop, and then you can add the shop onto your page if you want. So today I'm going to take you through on how to do that. But before I do that, I want to tell you how you could use it. So when you start setting up this page, you need two things. You need to have your website ready, and you also need to have the photographs ready apart, saved on a separate disk, because the photographs that are on your website cannot be automatically generated from there. So you have to have them apart, and then just select them and then upload them onto a Facebook, and then from Facebook you can link your website onto, not link your website, but actually link the link of that product, exact link to, so that when someone on Facebook comes to your page, they just click add to cart, or they click shop and they click on the product. It takes, when they click on the link, it takes them to what? To your website. And then onto your website, they can click add to cart and also check out, and they can pay on your website, and purchases can be processed there. So you need your website ready, and also you need the photographs ready, and then you need a Facebook page. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take you through one of my pages that I haven't yet added any products on, and I am going to add the products on today. So what we are going to do, I'm going to show you my screen where I go into detail of what I'm actually doing. Yeah, so here you can see I am going to open the Facebook page, and now you see the Facebook page is open. I'm going to go to the shop, and then the shop is going to show me that it's empty. If you have some products there and you want to add other products, then maybe you have one product ready, like I have here on this other page, have one product ready, but on the other page it's completely empty. So I'm going to start from there. So I'm going to get the products I want, then add one product. I'm going to add photos, so I'm going to select maybe 3 photos, and Facebook will only show one. You can choose which one. So the first one you choose, you can choose like 3-4 photos, or you can also add a video of the product, appealing one to future. So I'm going to choose the first one. The one you want Facebook to show first is the one you have to put at the front, and then put the link, put the price, and then also select what condition is the product. Is it new? Is it used? Blah blah, because the people who are selling second-hand things, so you can also put something like that. Yeah, that is second-hand, but my products are new, so I'm going to put new condition, I'm going to put the price, and then I'm going to save. Once it's saved, and maybe I have a post, in the post I can tag that product on Instagram. If I make a photo of that product and I post the photo on Instagram, I can tag it from Instagram, and Instagram just selects my Facebook shop, and that's how it's powerful. So if you're advertising and you have some products to advertise, you can just advertise a video, tag the products in the video, and when people tap on the products in the video, they can easily buy the products directly from the ad you're advertising, because they just have to tap the product if they like it, and it takes them to the checkout website, and then they can purchase it, the product. So what I'm saying here is I design silk masks, so I'm going to add the silk mask. So I'm going to add the green, black, so I'm going to put different products. I'm going to name the products exactly the same name that's on my web shop. So my silk mask is called green silk mask. I'm going to name it green silk mask. If my scarves are named Mila, I'm going to name it Mila, and then I'm going to select photograph that's really clear, and make sure that your photographs are on a white background, because this is very essential, so that it looks appealing, so that the client knows what they are buying. Make sure you make good photos that are exciting for people to buy. So this is what I'm going to do. So I hope you can see what I'm doing. save, add photo, upload photo. I'm uploading the photos from the hard drive, and when I've uploaded the photo on the hard drive, I just save it, and then it's ready to be tagged in any post or just be on my shop. And if someone comes on my page and just goes to my shop, they can just go and start shopping my collection. So I'm happy that you're here, and thanks for watching. I hope I've been helpful. So if you want to set up your Facebook page, just leave us a comment below. If you're having difficulties, or go to the description link below, go to RDM. Maybe we'll be able to help you. However, if you're new here, thanks for watching, and consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support. I love you, and kisses, and see you next week in 1, 2, 3.